Could Sean Diddy Combs theoretically be prosecuted for Tupac Shakur's murder even if he was nowhere near Las Vegas that night? According to former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani, in theory, yes. But that does not mean Combs is being charged, or that the allegation against him has been proven. Nevada law can allow someone to be held criminally responsible for helping procure or encourage another person to commit a crime. So, hypothetically, if prosecutors could prove that someone hired or encouraged another person to carry out a killing, physical presence at the scene wouldn't necessarily be required. And that's why the allegation involving the supposed $1 million payment matters. According to testimony described in the case, investigators once tried to corroborate Davis' claims by connecting him with a man known as Eric Zip Martin. Investigators were reportedly interested in whether money allegedly connected to Combs had been passed through Martin, but there's a major catch. A claim is not the same thing as evidence sufficient for a conviction. Combs has denied involvement, and authorities have not identified him as a suspect in Tupac's killing. Even the Clark County District Attorney's Office has not confirmed that Combs would face charges based on the outcome of Davis' trial. And there's another problem. The alleged shooter is dead. Davis is accused of orchestrating the killing, but his defense says his previous stories were exaggerated. So prosecutors would potentially need much more than Davis simply repeating the allegation. They would need independent evidence connecting Combs to an agreement, payment, or plan. And that leads to the biggest question: does that evidence actually exist? That's where the story gets even more complicated.